Hello students, let's learn how to create a table of 2 in C. First we will write 2. We have to print 2 value. So using printf function we will print 2 and 2 we will write within double quotes. After 2 we want to print star. Then we have to print 1. We will write 1. Then we will have to print 1 equal to. So we write in printf function equal to, and then we have to calculate answer. So we are writing answer statement, answer equal to 2 into 1. It will calculate multiplication, and multiplied result will be stored into answer variable. Then we have to print the answer. So in this way we will print the answer. So we have done one step. So in next step we have to go to next line. We will write slash n, and then we have to write star. So we are writing star. Then we have to print 2. We are printing 2, and then equal to sign. Then we will calculate. Then we will print the calculated answer. And in third step we have to go to next line, and then again we have to print 2, and then we will print star. Then we will print 3. Then we will print equal to. Then calculation will be done. Then calculated answer will be printed. In the same way we can print other steps. So every steps needs 3 statements. So if we will write these 3 steps many times, then it will be a long program. So we can make it a short program. So how to make it short? So first we can make it short using for loop or any loop. Means we can make it short using loop. So in loop we will write 3 statements one time. We will write 3 statements one time, and we have to check the value which is being changed in each step. So here 1, 2, 3 red color digits values are being changed. So we have to take a variable where values are being changed. So we have taken here j variable, and how much this value is being incremented? It is being incremented by 2. So we have to increment j variable by 1, j equal to j plus 1. So we have made it short. So now we have made it short. When we made these statements short, then we write only one time these statements, and we will write these statements within the loop, and loop will run these statements 10 times because we want to print table up to 10. So then we are writing, we will write only these statements within the loop. So we have written for loop. Loop will run from 1 to 10, and the j should start from 1. So before loop we are writing j equal to 1. Then we have written it in a complete program. We have written hash include stdio.h conio.h, and in this way table will be printed. So we can also make it short because here we have taken two variables j. Both variables are being incremented by 1. So we can take in place of I, J also, or in place of J, I. So we are changing here J. We are changing here the I. We have used J variable in for also. So this time we have only one variable. So we have made it short and it will print now full table of 2. So I hope you would have understood this program very well. So we end our session here. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you.